Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. This is Tawhid Mia from HMTMCSE.com. Hi there. Hope you guys are doing well. Nowadays, we know version control system is very important for every development. So we need to know at least one of version control system. Nowadays, lots of version control system in production. One of them is Git version control system. In this episode, I'm going to cover how to set up a Git bash or Git client for your development environment. My case, today I'm going to show you install Git bash into your Windows PC. Okay, for this I'm going to google.com, then searching git bash. Okay, this is the first link and I will put that link into description. In this case, you can download this git bash into your Mac OS or Linux, Unix or Windows. In my case, I'm going to clicking on Windows. Here a thing is that very important thing, it has 32-bit and 64-bit. My Windows running in 32-bit instruction set, that's why it automatically downloading this 64-bit instruction. Sorry, my Windows are running at 64-bit. Okay, I'm going to cancel it because I already downloaded this binary into my PC. Here now I'm going to click on this directory. This is my git 2.210. this is the version when I am recording this video. In this case, I'm going to double click here. Make sure you have that administrative permission. It will ask you a question, that is, do you want to allow this app to make change to your device? Yes, I'm doing. If you haven't any administrative permission, then you have to contact with your administrator. Now it asking some of question. I'm not reading this licensing information. I'm just going to click next. Then let default this configuration, not changing anything, then pressing on next. And this case we are using the vi, whatever that is, it asking don't change anything here, just press on next. Okay, in this case you can use this git only for git bash or command line and git bash. Here I am using that git from the command line and also the third party software. Okay, I'm pressing next. Everything will be default. Next, everything will be default. Next, rest are default. Now pressing on next, everything will be default. Then again next, and it asking me to close my some of previous Windows. Okay, now I'm going to install. It started installing. It will take little bit time. It start installing its in required files in my system. It's almost installation done. Yes, it's finish install. Now I'm going to launch this git bash. Finish. Actually this is the git bash. Here we are seeing it showing me the git bash, and now I'm going to press some of git command git. If I run on that git, it will automatically showing this git. And your window is not transparent like me, then don't worry about that. It may set by option. Here in a background section you can change your background whatever color you like. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. Please stay connected with me for next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for next video. Thanks again.